Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good, fit and fine and fantastic and you are doing great in this language. If you don't know me, friends, my name is Sony Singh and I am going to share with you some useful English sentences for daily use. So I am going to start this video. Friend, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe this channel because this channel is very useful for you. Because I upload new videos every day for new sentences. So let's start this video. Keep watching this video. मैंने तुम्हें बोला था खाना तैयार है. I told you meal is ready. जरा यहाँ आना, मैं हैरान हूँ. Please come here, I am surprised. तुम क्या खेल रहे हो? तुमने क्या खो दिया? What are you playing? What did you lose? हमारा क्या? What is our? क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you have lunch? मैं पूरा भूल गया. क्या तुम्हें याद है? I clean forgot. Are you remember? तमीज से पेश आओ, बस इतना ही. Behave yourself, that's all. कोई समस्या है, पर क्यों? Any problem, but why? वे पहुंच गए, चुगली मत करो. They arrived, don't worship. इसे खत्म करो और मुझसे वादा करो. Finish it and promise with me. चारों ओर देखो. Look around. Friends, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, then friends, try to speak English with your friend. Then try to speak English with yourself. Don't wait for a partner because you are your best friend. So, speak English with yourself. I say always in my videos, only you have the ability to speak English fluently and confidently. So, do hard work, keep hard working, keep reading, keep writing, and get your goal. Don't wait for waste time because this is the best time to speak. Always motivate yourself because self-motivating is very important for us. No one motivate you, only you have the ability to motivate yourself. So promise yourself, I will do hard work. I will achieve my goals and I will speak English fluently and confidently. I can do it. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like my videos, friend, then like, share and subscribe.